exploring the beauty of the slopes of the huge mountain Merapi and Merbabu. The mountains are marvelous, that famous among the mountaineers. History and tradition that growing up along the local wisdom of society. This is life that blend the old and the new, and not forget about the natural wonders and tradition that became popular even. Koper Training Center that not only well known in the nation, but only already known in abroad. Freshness of water from the natural spring, but also hide a mystic traditional storytale. Reservoirs that provide life feel fascinating with endless story to tell and never-ending possibilities to get more out of life and journey. Boyolali. Boyolali.